5 Scorching Hot Tips on Succeeding in Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing has been progressively famous for the past years. Most programs provide businesses the chance to use various salespeople who are only paid for the outcomes they get. Most starters in affiliate marketing are also given the benefit in the fact that they can start an online business even though they only have a few capital. The compensation for affiliates is well high, and the trained affiliate marketer can make thousands of dollars each month. This condition is direct to the increasing number of affiliate programs that are offered to every prospective marketer. With the boost of chances, many questions appear on how you will opt for precise opportunities, what are the requirements needed in choosing a program, and which program will give an essential income. All these questions, when answered and delivered correctly, will surely lead you to success. Below are 5 tips that will help you in assessing businesses and their affiliate programs. These tips will ensure you of success, without the need of wasting too much effort and money. 1. How much does the business will compensate you? It is necessary that you know how much you should anticipate from each sale. It would be useless to spend more of your time and money endorsing a product and being not compensated well in return. There is a possibility that you could end up wasting more on promoting than you are about to do on sales. With this, it is better to stick on endorsing the products with high payments, unless you have initiated a roll market where you can trade large numbers of product and get significant payments. 2. How much traffic does an e-commerce site get? Try to know the quantity of traffic the business site is previously getting. If the site is placed on the top 100,000, the business is having a better amount of traffic, and there is a chance that it already has many affiliates. If it is placed under 500,000, it is either not good or it must have a good chance to earn money. Do constant research on a product the site has a low traffic standing. It would be a great idea to purchase a product yourself if only you can pay for it. If not, you can also make a research to learn if there are any unpleasant remarks about it online. If you think everything is doing fine and the product is great, you probably have found a hit. 3. How regular are the payments given? Some business give their payments each week, others once a month, and some would pay every 4 months. It is necessary that you have an idea on when to expect your commissions. It would also be a great idea to know the smallest payments that you have to make before you are compensated. Some affiliates will not send your commissions until you gather a definite amount. However, there are affiliates that compensate the moment the sale is completed. For does the business compensate on succeeding sales? Some affiliates will only compensate on sales through clients viewing their sites through a direct link from your site. They will compensate you nothing for a few succeeding purchases that the clients make if they directly view the business website. It is necessary that you be compensated regardless of the way the client revisits the site if you are to make a profitable business. 5. What marketing resources do the affiliates provide? Find out the kind and value of marketing materials that they offer for their affiliates. Will they offer articles or content that you can utilize to endorse them on your website? Are they offering free guides, special offers, and samples, which can be of great use in promotion? If you think their marketing resources are just as fine, it is possible that the business will give good assistance for its affiliates. However, there are also times that you gather better reactions by means of your own marketing techniques. If the affiliate programs you are promoting have already been in the business for a long time, it is probable that all the promotions and marketing are outdated and been overexposed. Therefore, new promotions will initiate your readers to think that yours is a fresh product. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable business and a great starting point for everyone new to online marketing. Looking for an accurate affiliate can be a delicate business. So, the best thing to do is to make your studies and inquiries. You can use the above questions/tips as your help to searching a business that allows you to achieve your economic objectives.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.